News projects liberal Judge Susan Crawford has won the high-profile Wisconsin Supreme Court race. Her win will allow liberals to maintain their narrow majority on the key battleground state's highest court. Elon Musk spent millions of dollars supporting her conservative opponent, Brad Schimel. Crawford celebrated her win as a victory over big money in politics.
In Florida, Republican candidates won both of the congressional seats that were up in special elections. Randy Fine won the seat that was vacated when Mike Waltz joined the Trump administration as national security advisor, and Jimmy Patronis won the election to replace Matt Gaetz, who vacated his seat when President Trump nominated him for Attorney General. Gaetz later withdrew from that nomination.
Overnight, voters in Wisconsin and Florida sending two different messages to the nation's capital.
All right, Wisconsin, we did it.
Susan Crawford winning the Wisconsin Supreme Court race against Brad Schimel, the GOP-backed candidate supported by President Trump and his top ally, Elon Musk. Crawford's victory preserving a liberal majority on the battleground state's high court, and is a blow for Musk, who invested millions in the race and traveled to Wisconsin attempting to energize voters. The billionaire even giving away million-dollar checks to people who signed his petition opposing what he calls activist judges.
As a little girl growing up in Chippewa Falls, I never could have imagined that I'd be taking on the richest man in the world.
But GOP candidates coming out on top across the country in Florida, in special elections for two congressional seats vacated by Republicans Matt Gaetz and National Security Advisor Michael Waltz. Republicans Randy Fine and Jimmy Patronis both won victories in ruby red districts. The margins of victories less than half of what President Trump won back in November, though turnout for special elections is traditionally lower.
Thank you to President Trump.
Securing those seats was critical for Republicans, given their slim majority in the House. Overnight, Trump celebrating Fine's victory on social media, while Fine giving him credit. Because of you, Mr. President, I won't let you down. Democrats and Republicans vowing to continue fighting in the traditionally conservative regions.
It's not the end, it's a beginning for future races here.
This election is a reminder that Florida Panhandle will forever be red and it'll be forever Trump country.